Now, dear student, the next example of backtracking approach like the graph coloring problem. In the graph coloring problem, we apply the backtracking approach and we can solve the graph coloring problem with the help of tree space diagram. In the previous example, we solved the NQN problem with the help of backtracking approach. So now in the graph coloring is the problem of coloring each vertex in a graph such that no two adjacent vertex are the same color. So it is the condition of the graph coloring problem. For some direct example like that map coloring and register assignment. For graph coloring, the same issues apply as a NQN problem. We don't want to simply pick all subsets, way too many. We want to prune the state space tree as soon as we find the something that would not work. So in this problem, this implies that we need to sequence of vertex to color. As we color the next vertex, we need to make sure it does not conflict with any of its previously colored neighbors. So we may need to backtrack. Like that graph coloring problem, for example, if we given a graph, number of vertex like A to F, order A to F, the color of given in order red, green and blue. So first A is colored by orange, then red by then or blue. So then C is colored by C because we colored the graph with the help of three colors. Next D, now next blue, now next star. So for coloring of F, only we need three color or each adjacent is not a common color. Each adjacent are different. Each adjacent node is colored by different color. So it is the condition of the graph coloring problem. Now we can stuck here because given a graph, apply only three colors. So we follow the backtrack approach. So we can here apply the graph coloring problem like that. We use the color E by green and also we use the color F by blue. Then this graph is colored with the help of three colors. Now we draw the state space tree diagram like that. So first blank, if colored by red, yeah, orange, then we cannot colored B, then we cannot colored B by orange, but we can colored by blue, green. So it is colored by green and crossed by the orange. Now next C, can colored by orange because it is not adjacent of A. So it is colored by C is node colored with the help of orange color because it is not adjacent of A node. Now next D, D cannot colored by orange because C is the colored by orange. So D can colored by green. Now next E, E cannot colored by orange and green but can be colored by blue. We can color blue. Now F, we cannot color green, orange, blue because E and F is the adjacent graph. Same color we cannot apply. Now we backtrack. of C node. Then we apply the color of C node. Then we color of D node equal to blue. Then color of node E cannot apply orange and blue, but can apply the green. After applying the green color of E node, so option of F has three colors: green, orange, and blue. But we cannot apply the orange and green because it is the adjacent nodes. Then we apply blue. So is the solution of tree space diagram of graph coloring problem. Similarly, we using the backtracking approach, we can solve coloring of map. You wish to color map with not more than 4 colors: red, yellow, green, blue. This is the condition. So adjacent countries must be in different color. You don't have enough information to choose color. Each choice lead to another set of choices. One or more sequence of choices may or may not lead to a solution. Many coloring problem can be solved with the backtracking approach. So map color diagram like that. First, WA red, WA green, WA blue. First we select WA equal to red, WA equal to red. Then next we cannot choose WA equal to red, then cannot NT equal to green, WA red, so NT equal to blue. Two options. After adjacent nearest W equal to red, then we have two options for NT. NT या green होगा या blue होगा. If NT is green, so Q equal to red. Next can continue. Similarly, W equal to red, NT is the green, Q is equal to blue, and next option is available. And the process is continue. We can solve tree space diagram of this graph. Next problem like that, sum of subset problem. It is also asked in a paper, sum of subset problem. Sum of subset problem like that, fractional algebra. We call that thief and 0 1 knapsack problem. It is discussed in the 4th unit. So the goal of is to maximize total value of the solution item while not making the total weight exceed of the knapsack capacity. Similarly, we can solve sum of subset problem key value of sets. Sum of value of set is not greater than the given knapsack capacity. Now we apply. If we sort the weight in non-decreasing order before doing the search, there is no obvious sign telling us that a node is the non-promising. So sum of subset problem, the total of the weight of the remaining weight a node at the level of non-promising if weight plus total not greater than W. For example, say that our weight values are 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. And we have a knapsack capacity capital W equal to 8. So we find several number of subset of given set whose sum are equal to 8. So the first set of given set 5 plus 3 equal to 8 is the sum of subset problem. Set का subset जो sum है 8, 5 plus 3. Next 5 plus 2 plus 1 also is the set of this subset is the subset of this set and their summation equal to 8. We can also take the value 4 plus 3 plus 1. The sum of these subset equal to 8. So in the solution of subset sum problem, we find 3 subset of given set, their sum equal to 8. but we want to find sequence of values what satisfy the criteria of adding up to capital W. We can also draw the tree space diagram of subset sum problem. Visualization tree in which children of the root indicate whether or not value has been picked up, left is picked, right is not picked. We can also show in the tree space diagram. Like that, sort the value in non-decreasing order, so the lightest value left to the next on list. Weight is the sum of the weights that have been included level I. Let weight be the sum of the weights that have been included up to the node at level I. Then a node at the ith level is non-promising if weight plus wi plus 1 greater than w. Another example of subsets of problem like that. So the pruned state space tree when backtracking is used with n equal to 4, w knapsack capacity equal to 13, w1 equal to 3, w2 equal to 4, w3 equal to 5, and w4. So identify these non-promising nodes because the summation of t set value 6 plus 5 plus 3 not find 13. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is not equal to sum 13. 5 plus 6 plus 4 is sum is not equal to 13. So this these weight and nodes show the non-promising. So this is the example of subset of problem. We can also draw the tree space diagram using sum of subset problem. Like that, first we have an empty node, then we can select value of 5, 3, 2, 4, 1 number of item I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. The total we have 5 options. Suppose we select 5, then we have 4 options 3, 2, 4, 1. If we select the 3, then sum of the value 5 plus 3 equal to 8. This is the one solution. If we select next option 2, then we cannot find 4, then not summation, 5, 1, not summation. After the combination of 5 plus 2, we have two options 3, 4, 1. By selecting 3, not find the sum of 8. By taking 4, we cannot attain sum of 8. But taking of 1, we can find the sum of 8. So we can also show the tree space diagram of given example of such a sum problem. This is also example of backtracking approach.